where did everything start? Because I know you came literally from the bottom and worked your way up. It's a pretty amazing story.
Well, yeah, it wasn't a graduate program path that lots of people take. I started working in the back office, was at university doing a totally unrelated degree and just fell in love with the industry. So transferred to finance, did that at night after working 10 or 12 hours a day, and quickly moved through the ranks to the back office into wealth management in Melbourne, where I spent a lot of time trading options and equities for the wealth management clients. The investment bank at JP Morgan recruited me to their team in Melbourne. I spent 4 years trading and offering sales advice on equities to institutions in Melbourne.
Okay.
And then JP Morgan asked me if I wanted to go and travel overseas and work in one of their foreign offices. So for the Australian business, I went to Singapore in 2004.
Okay.
So 2004, into Singapore with JP Morgan. Asia was booming, Australia was booming. And then in 2006, UBS approached me and I joined UBS in 2006 and worked through to 2010 with them, all through the financial crisis. And 2010 decided I've had a little bit too much of this at the moment. So I took a couple of years off. Spent that time with my family, which was wonderful, traveling around Asia.
Yeah.
And then a former client, called me up and asked if I wanted to work for them, helping them find ideas in the market. So I went to work for Tantalon Capital Advisors, helping them find ideas in Asian markets. And then in 2014, UBS asked me to come back and work for them in their Asian business. So I spent another couple of years working there and finished up in 2016. And since then, I've just been trading my own money and working on a couple of little small businesses on the side.
Okay, cool. So I guess the period where you moved from Melbourne to Singapore on the investment banking side, that to me, when I look at your resume, your career, seems to be the period where you got your most notoriety in the industry, when you made that move to Singapore and you were at JP, then UBS. Tell us about that part of your career. It sounds like a really interesting part.
Well, I guess it was post the tech boom of 2000, and Australia was very much out of favour during that time. The currency had fallen below 50 cents. No one wanted to know about old school stocks. Everyone wanted to know about internet stocks. And when that bubble burst, people returned their focus to the key drivers of economies. China was starting to boom as well in the early 2000s.